far away from the land. Pimpama River buzzing, whiting biting on the tide, with 7 mud crabs in the esky, nowhere left to hide. Yeah, I think like a fish in the cool morning light, fishing all day till the middle of the night. Oh, I'm John the fishing man, searching for the bite, from the creek to the ocean, getting the rigs right.
Well, good morning. Today I've come down to the Logan River. I'm just going to drop a few pots in and head down towards the old gazebo and have a bit of a fish down there. I don't think I'm going to bother going down the Marks Rocks. I'll just see if I can't pick up some bream at the gazebo and then work the banks on the other side and see if I can't pick up a flathead. Hopefully there's not too many of those little bloody mud crabs about, like taking my bait when I'm fishing for flathead. But anyway, we'll see how we go. It's going to be an okay day. I'm going to be fishing the run in tide. At the moment it's running out, but I've got to put these pots in. By the time I get down there, the tide probably would have turned by then. Anyway, it's going to be a nice day, but it's going to get to about 10 knots, I think, which is okay because it's going to be at my back. Anyway, let's see how I go, eh? Hopefully I can pick up a couple of crabs and a couple of flathead. Wish me luck. This one's on dough. I don't think they're very big around here. There's a bloody shark biting my bloody bait. Yeah, just a little fella, 27. Hopefully I get a bit bigger than that. As I said, there's a shark bloody eating my bread. Why would a shark eat bread? Bloody hell. Only a little fella at 25. This is on bread. But as I said before, they're not very big. On dough. Better fish. Just at 37. centimetres. Go again. Just another one at 30. I don't know what this is. Took off. Bloody crabs. That's me for the day. Came down to Logan River to get mud crab and some flathead. I didn't get any. Only 4 brim. I'll call that a rubbish day. Anyway, that's how it goes sometimes down here in the Logan. Anyway, until next time.
Searching for the bite from the creek to the ocean, getting the rigs right. Cast another line out, feel the drag begin to scream. Living the life down in Queensland, it's a fishing man's dream. Trode along the bridge wall, 2 lines in the spray. That tailor's feeling hungry, best session of the day. Sometimes